Hi, my name is Frank and I'm an application specialist here at our Kongsberg Customer Experience Center. I have prepared for you a nice 3D pop-up Valentine's card in the shape of a heart. And to make this I'm going to use our Psalligraphy tool and 2 sheets of folding carton, one in black and one in white. So here I have opened the design in our IPC software. This is the part where we will cut the 3D pop-up in white, and this will be done from both sides of the folding carton.